Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best valve change tool is probably one of the most underrated tools in any mechanic's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, the ability to quickly and safely change valves can save you time and money. In this video, we're diving deep into a top-rated valve change tool, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall value, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Number 5. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Tired of running out of hot water? This heater provides consistent hot water whenever you need it. It continuously monitors water temperature and flow rates, ensuring efficiency and consistent performance. The water temperature is always within 1 degree of your selected temperature. This ensures a comfortable and reliable hot water supply. It's designed for your convenience. This tankless water heater is 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters. It can be installed on a wall or at the point of use. Its compact size is 11.5 by 8 by 3.75 inches. This heater is 99% thermal energy efficient. It only heats water when it's needed, unlike tank heaters that maintain temperature even when not in use. This saves you money. This 13 kilowatt tankless electric water heater is ideal for a bathroom, small sink, or office break room. It provides between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute depending on the inlet water temperature. Check the sizing guide to select the right one for you. What we like. This water heater provides on-demand hot water, so you'll never run out. It's also incredibly energy efficient, saving you money on your bills. If you are looking for a compact and efficient water heating solution for your home or office, you should consider this. What people say. The tool worked perfectly. The design is great and the tool is easy to use. This tool is a must-have. Number 4. FullMayPro Tire Valve Stem Core Replacement Kit. Tired of leaky tire valves? This kit is your solution. It's designed for quick and easy valve stem replacement, saving you time and money. The kit includes everything you need: tools, valve cores, and caps. It's suitable for cars, trucks, ATVs, and more. You'll get a valve core installation pushrod tool, and many other useful tools. This kit works with .453 valve stems. Please note that it is not for 5/8-inch valve stems or tires with TPMS. The included TR413, TR414, TR418 valve stems mean you're ready to go. The tools allow for quick valve removal and installation without removing the tire. The T-hook helps pull out damaged cores. The push rod accurately inserts the new valve stem. Made with 304 stainless steel and durable plastic, this kit resists rust and corrosion. It's built to withstand workshop conditions and is easy to store and carry. The kit includes detailed instructions. First, deflate the tire. Then, use the T-hook to remove the old valve core. Finally, use the push rod to install the new one. What we like. This kit allows for quick and efficient tire valve replacements without removing the tire. Made with durable materials, it's built to last. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, you should consider this. What people say. Quick valve change tool is a great product. The tool works as advertised. It is well designed and functions perfectly. Number 3. FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 Scanner. This NT301 scanner helps you read diagnostic trouble codes, check emission readiness, and turn off the check engine light. It can also reset monitors and retrieve your vehicle's VIN. The device will clear the codes only after the car is repaired. To read fault codes, make sure the ignition is on and the check engine light is illuminated. Select the OBDI menu and wait a few seconds. Then, choose Read Codes. This tool ensures accurate results if your vehicle is compatible and there are no hardware issues. It provides live data graphing and logging. The scanner accurately reads error codes for most worldwide cars. You can focus on suspicious data trends with live vehicle sensor data. However, it doesn't support ABS, SRS, or transmission system scans, nor does it offer special functions. The NT301 supports various OBDII protocols and is compatible with vehicles from 1996 in the US, 2000 in the EU, and many Asian cars. Always check vehicle compatibility before purchasing, as functions vary by model and year. With Read Erase and IM Readiness hotkeys, this scanner is easy to use. The red yellow green LEDs and built-in speaker indicate readiness status for emission tests. It requires no battery and is powered by your car's OBD2 port or a USB cable. This scanner is ready to use right out of the box. It's a great choice for home and auto shop mechanics. Recommended by mechanics, it offers code analysis and printer compatibility. It features a patented design, a 2.8-inch color screen, free lifetime updates, and a 1-year warranty with dedicated support. What we like. This OBD2 scanner helps you diagnose engine problems by reading and clearing fault codes. It provides live data graphing for detailed analysis. If you like to keep your car running smoothly and efficiently, you should consider this. What people say. Quick Valve Change Tool is a great product. The tool works perfectly. It is well designed and functions as expected. Number 2. LivTee 5 PCS Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit. This kit isn't just basic. It includes 4 pry tools and a clip remover. It's designed for dashboards, door panels, and interior clips. It's perfect for both delicate trims and tough jobs. Made from upgraded impact-resistant nylon, this tool is stronger and more durable. It won't snap, bend, or deform, even during the toughest jobs. You can rely on it. The thin, angled tips slide easily into tight gaps. This design helps lift clips and panels without excessive force. It provides better control and reduces hand fatigue, making the job safer and more precise. All edges are polished to a smooth, paint-safe finish. The ultra-thin tips slide under trims cleanly without scratching. It's perfect for modern vehicles that are easier to mark. This tool is perfect for cars, SUVs, trucks, and more. It also works for furniture repair and household projects. It's a must-have tool for both beginners and professionals. What we like. This tool kit is designed to remove trim without causing scratches or damage. It includes a variety of tools for different applications. If you are working on car interiors or other delicate surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. Quick Valve Change Tool is a great product. It works perfectly. The design is great. Number 1. Kentool 34645, Tire Mount and Demount Iron. This is a Kentool 34645 tire iron, designed for auto and truck maintenance. It's a robust tool made in the United States, perfect for the job. With a 37-inch length and a 3/4-inch stock, it provides excellent leverage. This tool makes mounting and demounting tires easier. The iron is built to last, ensuring it can withstand tough use. It's a reliable tool for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. The package dimensions are 97.79 centimeters in height, 5.08 centimeters in length, and 5.08 centimeters in width. It's easy to store and transport. This tool is proudly made in the United States. It weighs 2.177 kilograms, making it a substantial tool for the job. What we like. This tool is designed for mounting and demounting tires. It is built with heavy-duty construction for long-lasting use. If you are looking for a reliable and durable tool for tire work, you should consider this. What people say. Quick Valve Change Tool is a great product. It works perfectly. The design is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.